Wow, I really loved making this easy sew do-it-yourself fleece hat. All you need is about a ½ yard of fleece for 2 hats. Measure your head size and add 1 inch, and then cut your fleece to that length and then 16 inches tall. So it's going to be your head size wide and 16 inches tall. I have a free pattern at the link below that gives you some other sizes for if you want to make gifts or something for children or for toddlers or infants. It'll give you an idea of how big to cut it. I cut mine 23 inches by 16 inches. I want to show you this is a one-way design, which means it has to be up and down or my animals will be sideways or upside down. You can't really tell right or wrong sides, but if you can, put right sides together and we're going to sew the one short side, which is on the right in the video here. Thread your needle, double thread and tie it off, and you're going to make a running stitch along the unfolded side, the cut edge side. Make that running stitch and make small stitches if you can. You could also sew this by machine if you prefer. Use a zigzag stitch. At the top of that tube, you're going to cut some fringe that's about 2½ inches deep. Cut a fleece strip that's about 8 inches long. You'll use that to tie a pom-pom. Turn it right sides out so you have the seam on the inside, and then gather that fringe side of the fleece in your hand and tie it tightly with that fleece strip. Tie a good knot in it and fluff up that pom-pom and then roll the cuff up. It is so cute. The complete instructions for this easy to sew do-it-yourself fleece hat will be found at welcometonanas.com. Come join the fun.